Hello guys, C Maverick here. Gonna be unboxing a Swiss Army knife. It has 15 functions. Case. There. This is gonna be hard, but whatever. Hello, back. I just took it out. Made a big mess. As you can see, it's pretty big. 15 blades. Made in Switzerland. Right? Yeah. Made in Switzerland. So that's pretty neat. I'm gonna get one of my other knives to compare the size. Sorry about this, guys. About the same, I guess, but I don't know. I like Swiss Army knife. And you can see if it fits. Some stuff in here. I heard that it's hard to buckle or like put the button on. It is pretty hard. Hello guys, I've looked it over and stuff. The saw is just the only problem I have. It's just super hard to get out. There's no like finger things as you can see, no finger holes to open it. It's the only problem I have with this. Still haven't found the hook. So yeah, I'll probably write a review on this if I prefer it or not. And see you guys, subscribe and like for more. Bye.